Hey, everyone! If you've ever worried about someone snooping through your Excel files, I've got your back. Today, I'll show you how to password protect your Excel workbook in just a few simple steps. It's quick, easy, and super effective, so let's get started. First, open the Excel file you want to protect. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Select Info. Look for the button that says Protect Workbook. Click on it, then choose Encrypt with Password. A box will pop up asking you to enter your password. Type a strong password, something you'll remember, but others won't guess. Click OK. Confirm the password by typing it again and hit OK. And that's it. Now anyone opening the file will need your password first. But wait, there's more. To protect only a sheet, right-click the Sheet tab. Select Protect Sheet. You'll see options for what users can and can't do. Editing cells, formatting columns. Enter a password if you want, then click OK. That sheet is now locked, while the rest stays open. Quick tip, don't forget your password. If you lose it, there's no official recovery. Write it down somewhere safe or use a password manager. And there you have it. A quick, easy way to keep Excel files private and secure. Now your data stays private. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay productive.